That started in one college in Udupi. Today the entire state has seen protests. It's turning violent. Police had to use tear gas in a few colleges, sir. Was the government not able to control the state of affairs when it was under control?
It's under control. Some colleges, not every districts. Some 4 or 5 districts is happening. So our police department, our DC, we all even given instructions to all the DCs and SPs also. They are controlling. So our view is we are not for hijab or kesari. We are not. Government is not for anybody. The only dress code that only we can allow in the classrooms. In the street they can wear whatever they want. In the schools, dress code is compulsory. Who will violate, 100% the education department will take action.
So the government is worried about violence, which is why you have shut down schools and colleges for 3 days. So could it not have been controlled in a better way?
No. We are controlling in the better way also. Because of the student safety, we done this. It's not a general protest. It is a student protest. 2 parties. So that's why precautionary measure, we are 3 days, we stop the colleges.
Sir, today we are going to see that in the High Court there will be a hearing which will be taking place. So what do you expect from
the government? Advocate General is appearing the cases. Whatever court says, the government will take action. Court verdicts is the final for the government.
But sir, in the affidavit also we see that the government, the Advocate General has mentioned that educational institutions, students should not be allowed to wear any religious symbol. But we see that many, as we have been seeing since last few days, there's a massive controversy. How opposition party also has been slamming the government for that?
No, opposition party is doing the politics in this, especially the Congress. So I think they are behind this politics. The government is very straightforward. We are not in favor of hijab or kesari.
Okay.
We are only dress code is the our
One
rule.
dress code.
So just one last thing, the cabinet meeting today, sir, is there going to be any crucial decision?
It was the
last
No, we will discuss
by
in
the Chief Minister.
we will discuss in the cabinet.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.